Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you guys need to find where the transfer case, fuses and relays are located, where you can expect to find them guys, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the transfer case, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Guys, Chevy Tahoe and Suburban are built on the same platform, so both it should work for Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. The only difference, the Suburban is a little bit longer. But quick reminder, most owners, 9 out of 10, do not know that you have many hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. First you need to go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine now guys, you see right here, that's your brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is your engine fuse box. That's an easy to access box. Go ahead, open that cover, and underneath you're going to find a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse that we need to check guys now, we'll talk about relays in a second, it's known as practically transfer case fuse, 4x4 fuse, all-wheel drive fuse guys. Now if you come in that row of fuses right here, okay, and you look at that fuse number 6, that's on the very bottom, that 30 amp fuse, that's the one that you will guys need to check. What about relays guys? There is not specific relays. If you have problems with the transfer case, you need to check the engine fuses and the transmission fuses and relays as well. We'll have the videos on the channel, but you don't have a dedicated relay for the transfer case or the 4x4. You will have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse that you need to check. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.